Let's look at this question. In a factory having 100 identical machines for producing bolts, the manager realizes that he would overshoot his deadline due to some of the machines going offline 10 days before the deadline. He replaces the faulty machines with twice their number 2 days before the deadline. The maximum number of days by which he could still overshoot his deadline is. And then you have options. Now understand this. This is a very, very simple question if you understand this. When would you be overshooting your deadline by the maximum amount? When would you be overshooting your deadline by the maximum amount? When a maximum number of initial machines become defunct. When a maximum number of initial machines become defunct. So, if 100 machines they went offline 10 days before the deadline, say I'm saying efficiency of every machine is 1. Work left would be 100 into 10 or how much? 1000 units. Now 10 days before, all 100 machines became defunct. All 100 machines became defunct. Now 2 days before the deadline, the person replaced it with 200 identical machines. So how much work is left? 200. How much work is done? 200 by 2. 400 units of work is done. How much work is left? 600. And this will be done at the rate of 200 per day because there are 200 machines. So how many more days would be needed? 3. Answer to the question will be option B, 3.